Okay, now let's talk about the O sounds of American English. So we have some bad news and some good news about O sounds. The bad news is that we have a lot of sounds associated with the O spelling. That is very true. Let me go through, just take a look at this diagram. Here again, I know in the video you can't see the words, but we will look at patterns. So, here's some of the good news. We have already in this course studied a lot of these sounds. So we've studied oi and ow. We already know all of this. We've also studied the schwa sound, so we already know all of this. In English, we also have this double O spelling, which can sound like or oo. That spelling has O, but we really consider those to be U sounds. So we're actually going to study those sounds in the next lesson. So now we've gotten it down to two. We're going to practice two major sounds in this O sounds lesson. The short O, the sound ah, and the long O, the sound o. Let's think about both of these sounds a little bit. For the ah sound, open the jaw and keep everything relaxed. Ah. It's actually the same as the open A sound in the word father. But let's also make sure that it's a long sound, because Americans tend to exaggerate this sound. When we say the word water, we say a long ah. And also here, if we say like this word dollar or modern, you can hear that the ah sound is a little bit of a long sound. And then, but we call it the short O. Short spelling, not short sound. And then we do have the other one, which we call the long O, long spelling and long sound. And this is the sound O. So this one you're probably used to. You round the lips a little bit and you say the name of the letter, O. One thing to know is that in American English, the O sound is a little bit relaxed compared to some languages. And we tend to let the ending be kind of soft. It's not a precise sound. We don't say O. We say O. So you can let your lips be a little bit soft. Okay, so that's our overview of the two major O sounds, ah and O. Now let's just go through all the words in this diagram. Repeat. Dollar, modern, product, donate, portfolio, goal, choice, employ, loyal, browse, discount, account, choose, boost, tool, look, good, understood, demonstration, minor, concern, today, effort, work. Okay, that completes this lesson.